My name is Hannah, and this is my no-buy year. So, I tried to film a demonstration, a makeup demonstration. I just tried to film myself putting on this makeup. If I uploaded this video, if you're watching it, then presumably I found the footage at least workable, and I managed to put something together that I felt that I could show you. I'm very, very new to this. This is my first time really trying to film a demonstration. I'm also not a makeup artist. I was just doing my thing. I tried to do kind of a smoked out smoky red eye using the Smashbox Covershot palette. This palette is in my current Shop My Stash. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards. This is from my Shop My Stash. I also used the Yves Saint Laurent, the Shock Mascara in Rough Burgundy. That's also in my Shop My Stash. So because this is my first time doing this, I'll probably just speed up the footage, put some music over it, and hope that it turns out okay. If you'd like to see me slap on this smoked out red smoky eye and glossy fire red lip and very highlighted skin, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the finished look. I feel so beauty guru saying that.
So this is the finished look. So this is the finished look. So this is the finished look.
I like it. The thing I like about it is the contrast of the two tones of red. I feel like the lip is a glossy, fiery red, and the eye is a smoky, I mean, it's almost a cool red. Like it's almost bordering on cranberry, and it's a gritty metallic texture, and the lips are incredibly shiny. I enjoy the contrast. I feel like it's a very textured choice. Needless to say, everything that I used in this demonstration was already in my collection. This is my no-buy year, so I'm not buying anything new this year. I'm just using what I have. So any tutorial that I do in the coming months will be a use what you have demonstration. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, especially if you want to see more makeup application videos. And if you have any requests, put them in the comment section down below. And as always, I hope you will take extra good care of yourself this week so that you can be the most effective version of yourself as you do your work in the world.
There's no days like the costume and the king of the jungle looking like Rudolph. He said, oh girl, my booty fat. He turned around, said,